Alright, note to self. The sun definitely evaporated more of the moisture earlier than usual when it's in the gallery, and the leaves don't appear to be any real different from this morning. Yeah. However, there is one new thing I'm noticing. The coloration seems to be tending more towards yellow in a general overall way. It's very slight, hard to pick up on, but it might be that the soil inside here is finally losing its whatever, and I guess now would be a good time to maybe add a little bit of Epsom salts to a solution to add. So yeah, when you have your growth medium out in the sun, you basically end up having to use more water than normal. What would be interesting is if I could probably put a covering over here. That's an idea. Yeah, cover over the growth media with something. Use some way of cutting out holes, I guess. I don't know, so that the stalks still come through, in order to shade it and prevent the precipitation, the evaporation, process from occurring. That's an idea. Anyway, I'm pretty sure if it was getting full sunlight like down there is right now, that they would be very droopy at this point. That's what I was observing when I used to grow them in the garden down here. So yeah, heavy direct sunlight is not good. Use of a cover, like a netting, over this garden area would probably be the best way to continue growing stuff down here. I'll have to look into that before I start doing that again. Yeah. In the meantime, I have removed the plant from here, as it had completely rotted. Well, the rotting process obviously was preventing it from catching back, while these guys are still good in the same solutions, so yeah, gave up on that. Going to have to figure out something. I'm going to go down to agrochemicals tomorrow, hopefully, and pick up something called Miller's micronutrients, I think it was. The guy told me on the phone. So if indeed the case is that I'm missing the micronutrients, which I suspect it really is, I'll be able to add that directly into the solution, instead of adding just the Epsom salts, which is only magnesium sulfate and doesn't include the other micronutrients that the plants need. And from there it'll just be a matter of tweaking, mostly blind and deaf really, because I don't have the meter yet to measure everything. But yeah, trial and error tweaking to see if I can come up with a solution that actually makes the plants grow properly. Alright, well, that's the state of things. I don't want to transfer these guys until I can get this right, but they should have a while before they outgrow this pot, as is evident by these guys outside. Yeah, it takes quite a lot to drain the soil. And there's Kitty. Anyway, yeah.